Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you the Christmas song, O Come All Ye Faithful. So I'm going to play the song all the way through now, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it in more detail, so stick around till the end. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, this song is going to be in the key of G. We're going to be using the G chord, the D over F sharp chord, the E minor 7 chord. We have the A minor 7 and the C major. And then we have an A major thrown in there, but I'm going to be playing it as an A suspended, and I'm going to show you why. Because that A is coming right between two D over F sharp. So we have the D over F sharp, and then we're jumping to the A major really quick, and then right back to D over F sharp. So to make that fit nicely in between the two Ds, what we're going to do is I'm just going to take this finger, my first finger, and I'm going to drop it down 2 strings to the 2nd fret of the D string, and then I'm going to let my pinky up, and that is a suspended. Okay, so it's a nice easy transition, but it also has a similar sound to the D over F sharp, so it fits very nicely. When it comes to doing the transitions for this song, it can get a little bit complicated because some of the chords are only lasting for half of a measure. But before I can explain those transitions and how it works, I need to explain the strum pattern first. So we're going to be using what's called the hyperdrive pattern, which is it's actually going to be 8 beats that I'm going to be strumming, 8 down strums, and then there's an up strum after beat 8, and then that whole pattern is going to repeat again. And we're going to be adding emphasis on beats 1, 4, and 7. And that just means we're going to be strumming harder for those beats, 1, 4, and 7. And we're going to be strumming softer for everything else. So if I just hold the G chord and play that strum pattern slowly for you, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now when matching the chord transitions to that strum pattern, most of the chords are going to last for a whole measure, so the whole 8 beats. And then when we do that up strum, we're going to be switching to a new chord and playing that new chord for 8 beats and then switching again. But there's some chords that are not like that. Some chords are only going to last for half of that measure. They're only going to last for 4 beats, and then we need to switch to a new chord for 4 beats, and then we switch again. So it makes it a little bit more complicated to wrap your mind around these transitions. So I want to show you a couple of parts where this happens so that hopefully I can help you understand what's going on with the measures and the beats. So the first time these half chords show up is with that A major that I was talking about earlier. We were going from D to A back to D. So that D, we're going to be going from E minor for a whole measure, then a D for a whole measure, and then we have a D again for a half of a measure. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, switch to the A for 5, 6, 7, 8, and then back to D again for the new measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again we have O come ye, O come ye to Bethlehem. If I were to count the beats and not sing it, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that same idea of these half chords comes in on the next line and the next line after that with the G to D back to G. For Come and Behold Him and Born the King of Angels, it happens again right there. So anytime that there's a chord that you feel like it's throwing you off, it's probably one of those half chords where it just needs to last for half of a measure rather than for the full measure. All right, I hope this lesson was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I can see you in the next lesson. Take care.